In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a transaction in QuickBooks Online. Managing your finances in QuickBooks Online can be a game changer for keeping your records organized and accurate. But sometimes, you may need to split a single transaction into multiple categories or accounts to better reflect how your money is being spent. Whether you're dividing an expense between different departments or assigning parts of a payment to various budget categories, this feature can save you time and improve your bookkeeping accuracy. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive into the process step by step. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and head over to the accounting section. You'll find this on the left-hand panel of your screen. This is where you can manage all of your accounts, such as checking, savings, or credit cards. Once you're in the accounting section, select the specific account where the transaction you want to split is located. For example, this might be a checking account, savings account, or a credit card account. Next, locate the transaction you want to split. You'll see a list of transactions within the account you selected, and you can scroll through or use the search bar to find the one you need. Once you've identified the transaction, click on it to open the editing panel. This is where you'll make changes to the details of the transaction. Now look for the split option. You'll find this at the bottom of the editing panel. Go ahead and click it. This will open the split window where you can divide the transaction into multiple lines. Each line will represent a portion of the total transaction amount. In the split window, you can enter the amounts and categories for each portion of the transaction. For example, if you're splitting an expense, you might assign part of it to office supplies and another part to travel. Be sure to fill in the appropriate categories and amounts for each section. It's important to make sure that the total of all the lines you've entered matches the original transaction amount. This ensures that your records remain balanced and accurate. If needed, you can also add additional details for each line, such as memos, classes, or locations. These details can help you keep track of where your money is going and make reporting easier down the line. Once you're satisfied with the way you've split the transaction, click the Apply and Accept button to save your changes. After saving, it's a good idea to review the register for the account you've been working on. This will allow you to confirm that the split transaction appears exactly as you intended. If everything looks good, you're all set. However, if you need to make adjustments, don't worry. You can always reopen the transaction, click on the split option again, and make any necessary edits. And that's it. Splitting transactions in QuickBooks Online is a straightforward process that can help you manage your finances more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.